Here are some of the benefits associated with cloves. 1. Antioxidant properties. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, particularly phenolic compounds like eugenol. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. Eugenol, the main bioactive compound in cloves, has anti-inflammatory properties. Consuming cloves or clove oil may help reduce inflammation in the body. 3. Dental health. Eugenol in cloves has been used for its analgesic and antiseptic properties in dentistry. Clove oil is often used to temporarily alleviate toothache pain and is an ingredient in some toothpastes and mouthwashes. 4. Digestive health. Cloves have been used traditionally to aid digestion. They may help relieve gastrointestinal distress, reduce gas and bloating, and stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes. Ingredients: cloves, olive oil. Drink 1 glass before bed.